Hi, I'm Sam Proctor from Chiltern Garden Design. I've partnered with Affinity Water to create the water-saving garden at this year's RHS Chelsea Flower Show. Today we're here in my garden to show you a few simple tips about how you can save water in your garden. Would it surprise you to know that using a hose can waste 1,000 litres of drinking water every hour? So instead, try using a watering can to water plants more efficiently. Try to capture rainwater from every possible roof, from the shed, the greenhouse, the house. We could all save as much as 50 litres every day by using a water butt instead of a hose. Here we've diverted water from gutters and downpipes into a slimline water butt that fits neatly between the house walls. This water would otherwise go down stormwater drains and be lost. Plants actually prefer rainwater, so they're much happier. To find out more about the water-saving garden and discover more tips on how to save water in your own garden, visit Affinity Water's website at affinitywater.co.uk/save our streams.